Hello guys, today we're gonna see how to remove the pair valve with our kit. Our kit has two cover for the valve, a screw with a washer, is a copper washer for the vacuum, and a cap for the filter box. This is the device that you want to remove all these pipes, okay, with these cups. Two screws. Underneath you will see something like this, okay? This is orange is rubber, so it's sealed. You remove only the cover, which is this one, and you put our cover in place of this. Very simply. You can put some silicone underneath our cover, just as a thin layer for safety. You remove the coil to access to these screws. You can remove the coil instead of removing the carburetors, okay? Then you remove here the connection to the pipe. You remove this, okay? It's easy because it's hexagon here. So you just unscrew it. And you put the screw with a washer, copper washer underneath. This make it sealed, okay? Then filter box in the front, you have this rubber cap. You have to close this, which is this one, okay? So again, 1, 2, 3, 4. One screw here on the radiator, the back of the radiator, you see this screw, and this comes completely off. All this system is made to keep the temperature of the engine high, to burn the gases, okay, with the extra air coming into the exhaust tube behind here, okay? So you don't need this high temperature anymore, so you can remove all these parts that are meant to keep the engine hot, okay? So you remove all this. There's no meaning of this with this. Radiator grill, you see this covers the cap of the radiator, so you cannot access. So you get rid of this and that if you want, and you can get our radiator grill. The radiator grill made by aluminum, so they work as dissipator as well, okay, instead of plastic that doesn't dissipate the heat. So and also they are made like off-road bikes. They catch the mud, and the mud will fall down, but the air goes 100% inside by these spoilers. You see, these fins catches the air, so they're very open. So this modification, of course, you have to take full responsibility, because the bike is not like original. So we cannot take responsibility of any modification that you do on your own bike. If you like the video, thumbs up, and in the comment, if you want to know something more, just ask and we'll make another video for you.